Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked about this lower band touch yesterday. They bounced it, they held it, they didn't go back down. Theoretically, we could end up in a lower band ride if they could break 28.20 today. That would take a pretty big down day to get that done. Let's go right to the hourly, because what you're seeing now is you're seeing compression. You see how tight these bands are. And we have been in a 24-hour battle over weekly pivot. You got weekly pivot at 28.75. And price really hasn't migrated too far up or down from that area in the last 24 hours. So weekly pivot still has a decision to make. What does it want to be? We rallied pretty quickly. We filled that gap from Globex off the Europe Open. It was a nice trading day in the regular session. I mean, just as far as day trading was concerned, we did 26, almost 27 handles in the room on not a ton of trades, on 3 or 4 trades that really started to run. And we were just able to take profits on those and then go in the other direction. It was a nice wide range. It was a really nice day to trade, and you can see by the hourly candles here. I mean, there was some flow to it. You have a high here down, you have a low here up. I mean, that's a nice little range to be able to trade, especially on a Monday. So, as I said, it continues to be about the weekly pivot. If the bears can convert the weekly pivot to resistance and somehow break the RTH low from yesterday, which is 55.25, they can try to push it down into this 28.30 area. I think it's all going to take news, though. It seems to me that the bears require news in order to keep the market pressed down. All that said, you widen this chart out here, and you got some great big moves down that keep being retraced. If they can come up with a lower high that's relatively pronounced and break this low over the next two or three sessions, they can definitely run back to that 27.75 low from earlier. But for now, you've got compression. Compression will lead to expansion, whether that's today or tomorrow. It's probably today. That should give us a nice next move in the tape. Which way is it going to break? I don't know. I don't pretend to know. I know that 75 is a big number, and I know that whichever way it breaks, we'll use our rules to be in it, and we'll do well. If the bulls hold weekly pivot as support, if they can get over the top of 2,900 to 2,904, which is that old range bottom, they have a chance to go up and test the 32 to 34 range highs from late last week, basically the Friday high. So there is a really, in reality, there are 50 handles on either side of 28.75. The question is, who wants them? And that's what today's going to be about. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. Take care. Come check us out in the room. Lots of new people starting. Lots of new people to learn in the room with. And a great place to trade with people that do this all the time. And if you're one of those people, or you want to learn how to be one of those people, or maybe you have a job and you want to come in and do 4 handles a day and then go do your regular job, we got a lot of people like that too. Come check us out. We'd love to meet you. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.